Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 2.1% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The gold got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair fell 1% in the last session after gaining as much as 3.9% during the session. The CCI indicates an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
World stocks slid further and Treasury yields weakened as US worker productivity data beat forecasts but extended a weak trend, further muddying a debate on how far and how fast US interest rates will rise. Coinbase Global CEO Brian Armstrong said the company's revenue will be half or less what it was last year, as the crypto exchange struggles amid stark price drops in cryptocurrency prices and continuing ripple effects from multiple bankruptcies this year, including the recent collapse of rival exchange FTX. The Swiss franc is likely to strengthen further early next year as investor concerns about the euro area's faltering economy and debt levels will fuel haven flows into the currency, according to Credit Suisse Group AG's head of foreign exchange strategy.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Finland's industrial output will be released at 0600 hours GMT, the Australian industrial production at 0800 hours GMT. The US Producer Price Index at 1330 GMT. The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index will be released at 1500 hours GMT. The UK's consumer inflation expectations at 0930 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.